You're gonna remove 6 21mm lug nuts off this thing, and then you're gonna kick the crap out of it. Listen to this noise this thing makes when I pull it off, man. It's real gushy. The tie rod is also a 21. You got one bolt on each side of the control arm. Both sides are a 21mm. Come to the realization there's no way you're getting this bolt out with that spring in the way. The bolt is the 27mm and the nut's a 30. Sway bar link bolts and 18mm. Take that guy off. You're gonna need something to hold on to it. Just put a channel locks on the middle piece right there, not on the boot. Or vice grips. Vice grips will work too. Top side, you got 3 15mm. I broke them with a breaker bar and just finished them off with regular 3/8 ratchet. Yoink. Yoink again. You're going to want to tighten these down just so that they're snug. You'll still need to be able to move this thing. Back in you go, however you go. It only fits one way. 15mm back on just to hold it. And off screen, I'm just prying the bottom back in. That sway bar link got a little sideways stuck, so I'm abusing it. Nut. Use a floor jack to jack that up. Suspension parts like to be loaded when you tighten them down, so give her a load. I'm working top down, but skipping the ball joint. I'm going to save it for last. Torque specs on all this stuff is whatever I felt like was good enough. I didn't show the tie rod in the video, but don't you forget about that guy. You have a wobbly wheel.